Come get ready with me while I try Tretinoin for the first time as a 36-year-old. So this is what we're working with. I have cystic acne right now, here and here. And here I have closed comedones. I have another breakout here. I don't really have a lot of like resting wrinkles or wrinkles at rest. I mean, a little bit here. But I mainly want to use this for discoloration, for acne control, and to start on my skincare journey to prevent or ward off resting wrinkles, which I know it's a part of aging and all that stuff, to each their own. But let's go ahead and jump in. I'm from Canada, and what we have, I have retin-a, and then under it says Tretinoin Gel, and it's 0.1%. Now this is not the cream. I think the cream and the gel, and I like the fact that it's like a pump, so less air is going to get into it as opposed to when you get like a regular prescription tube. To baby myself into taking Tretinoin, so I'm going to start with once a week, then I'm going to move up to twice a week, and then from there I might keep it at twice a week depending on how the next 2 or 3 months go. So I've already done my skincare. I've gone in and used the e.l.f. cleanser to remove the makeup. Then I went in with this milk cleanser, so it's super hydrating, by Aven. The moisturizer that I used was one I always use, is Climatic is the Clinique Dramatically Different Gel. This one also comes in the cream. I prefer the cream over the gel because I find it's heavier. This one's a little bit light. And then for under the eyes, I use the All About Eyes by Clinique as well. It's been about 45 minutes. I let that all sink in, and I'm going to go in and use the slugging method or the sandwich method. So I'm going to be applying this, and then I'm going to be applying the highly expensive Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream on top, and just kind of letting that sink in with about like 2 or 3 minutes in between. So you're only supposed to use a pea-sized amount. I'm probably going to use less than that, and I'm not going to put any on my neck because I have an active flare-up from eczema there, but that's way too little, but I'm going to work it up. So we're just going to apply this here and here. I'm going to go in with one more little teeny tiny pump. I'm going to apply right in here and then here. Cream. There's probably much better, less expensive creams that I could be using than this guy right now, but I am trying to avoid a purge, period. I will be back with update number 2 in a week. Please don't forget to follow and subscribe. Don't forget to comment if you've used Tretinoin, what your experience has been like with it, if you have any tips or tricks, or if you are a beginner and have any questions. I will always try to answer what I can.